how to install your RYOBI riding mower bagging kit. The RYOBI electric riding mower with bagging kit installed is a great way to quickly clean up leaf and grass clippings from your yard. Before you install the bagging kit, it is important to make sure that you are using the mower blades designed for use when bagging. Refer to the video on how to change your RYOBI electric riding mower blades found at the link below. To install the bagger, first, insert the bagger bracket into the hole on the rear right side of the mower. Then, install the hitch pin through the hole at the bottom of the bracket to secure it in place. Next, place the cover on top of the bracket with the openings on the cover sliding over the shafts on the frame. Lift the cover all the way up and slide the bag onto the bagger frame. Then, lower the cover until it snaps closed. If installed, remove the mulch cover from the mower. Next, install the upper end of the top bagger tube with bag full indicator into the hole in the back of the grass catcher cover. Install the bottom bagger tube to the side discharge outlet by placing the opening over the tab on the mower frame. Then hook the fasteners to the frame. To finish, pull the top tube back out of the cover just far enough to connect the two tubes together. Then line up the hole in the bottom tube latch with the tab on the upper tube. Stretch the bottom tube latch over the top tube tab to secure them together. For proper use of the bagging kit, refer to the operator's manual. Contact customer service for assistance at 1-800-860-4050.